People who let their mom count to 0. What happened after? I can't even remember what I did to set her off, but she turns on her usual rage face and starts staring me down. Next thing I know, she tells me to go to her room and grab her leather belt, and that I have 5 seconds to get it or else is gonna happen. For the first time in my life, I decided to take a stand. First, I told her I didn't want to because I'd just get hurt, but the countdown continued, and by the time she reached 1, I laid down a flat and calm no. She tried to hide it, but I can tell she was absolutely furious. You know that saying, I wasn't thinking that far ahead? If you were to translate that into a facial expression, then you'll get her face at that moment. After about another 5 seconds of silence, she just told me to go to my room.